The Blueair 211 Plus is another model in the Blueair series that we have tested and will evaluate in this video. It features an innovative design, minimalism, and very good performance. The Blueair 211 Plus is designed for large rooms up to 540 square feet. In this video, you'll find out how this model performed in our tests. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. The Blueair 211 Plus requires no advanced preparation before the first start. Since the particulate filter and carbon filter are already installed in the unit, you need to unpack the pre-filter and slide it over the bottom of the unit. With this step, the Blueair is ready to use. Place it in the desired location at least 10 inches away from other objects. Plug it in and switch it on. The Blueair 211 Plus is a unique air purifier with some design features only available in the Blueair series. The unit is completely white, with the exception of the bottom section, which is equipped with a pre-filter in one of the 5 available colors. The upper part is plastic, which contains the engine. The lower part is metal, with filters inside and a pre-filter installed on the outside. It's important to mention the dimensions of the Blueair 211 Plus air purifier, which are enormous, so the lack of a carrying handle is noticeable and perhaps the only disadvantage when it comes to the design. All in all, this unique modern air purifier easily fits into almost any ambiance. The air intakes on the Blueair 211 Plus are located on the underside of the unit, spaced out on all sides. As the air is drawn in, it's filtered and pushed out through the holes on the top of the unit. The Blueair 211 Plus is a minimalist device with no advanced options or additional features. The device uses only one control button located on the front. Each press of the button changes the speed of the engine. Around the button are indicators that light up according to the current engine speed. In addition, the indicators serve as a filter reset indicator, showing yellow or red signs when it is time to change the filter. The Blueair is an AHAM verified air purifier and has a CADR of 350 CFM, which means that in a 540 square foot room, it can purify the air 5 times in 1 hour. It fits very well in any room, but especially in living rooms, large bedrooms, offices, family rooms, playrooms, and similar large spaces. The Blueair Blueair 211 Plus air purifier uses 3-stage filtration and additional HEPA silent technology. The first stage of filtration in this model is a washable fabric pre-filter, which is available in 5 different colors. Its purpose is to prevent larger particles of dust, hair, and other types of particles from reaching the particulate filter, which is the next stage of filtration. The purpose of the particulate filter is to remove airborne particles such as pollen, dust, pet dander, and other small particles. The third stage of filtration is the fibrous carbon filter, which is responsible for neutralizing odors. Considering the performance achieved by the Blueair 211 Plus in our tests, we wouldn't consider the lack of a true HEPA filter to be a minus. On the other hand, when it comes to carbon filtration and the ability to neutralize smoke odors, the conclusion is that the carbon filter could have been a little better. More information on filtration can be found in the detailed review at airpurifierfirst.com. The Blueair 211 Plus requires the replacement of the particulate carbon filters on average every 6 months. The filter reset indicator lights up when it's time to change the filter. If it's yellow, you have a month to change it, and if it's red, you need to change the filter immediately. The pre-filter is washable and doesn't need replacement. To change the filter, first separate the top of the device from the bottom by pressing the buttons on the sides. Then remove the pre-filter from the lower half of the device and remove the old particulate carbon filter. If necessary, vacuum the inside of the device. The final step is to insert the new particulate carbon filter into the device. Draw over the pre-filter and return the upper part of the device to its original state. Finally, reset the filter reset indicator by holding your finger on the button for 3 seconds. The Blueair 211 Plus uses only 3 speeds. It's a very large air purifier with high airflow, so in a way, it's to be expected that the noise produced will be slightly louder, at least at the maximum speed. At first speed, the Blueair 211 Plus produces 43.9 dBA of noise. At the second speed, it produces 51.2 dBA. While at maximum speed, it delivers 59.7 dBA. Although the noise is slightly louder at maximum speed, and it's very difficult to stay in the same room with the device at this speed, we have to say that we are positively surprised that the Blueair produces a peak volume according to its specifications. When we look at the capacity, airflow, and size of this device, we expect the power of the engine to be huge. However, the Blueair 211 Plus uses a 61-watt engine, which is not that much given the performance. If you were to leave the Blueair 211 Plus at maximum speed for a period of 1 month, the unit would increase your electricity bill by approximately $4.30, which is not that much for this device. The bigger expense is the replacement filters, which need to be changed on average 2 times a year. With slightly more affordable replacement filters, the Blueair 211 Plus would be an ideal unit. This way, it's only a little bit more expensive to maintain. The Blueair 211 Plus is an air purifier designed for rooms up to 540 square feet. However, according to the test results produced by this model, use in a slightly larger room would not be a problem. In the first test, in a room of 320 square feet, the Blueair was left running for 60 minutes at maximum speed. During this time, the device improved the air quality by approximately 96%, which is a fantastic result. In the second test, we placed the device in a 560 square foot room, slightly larger than the recommended dimensions, and the Blueair improved the air quality by approximately 92% in 60 minutes of use. Overall, the Blueair 211 Plus performed extremely well in both tests, dramatically improving air quality. The Blueair 211 Plus was placed in a glass box, which was then filled with smoke. See how long it takes for the device to remove all the smoke from the box. The Blueair 211 Plus is an unusual air purifier, unique in its own way, equipped with Swedish filter technology that captures 99% of airborne pollutants such as viruses, pollen, dust, pet dander, mold, bacteria, and more. The Blueair 211 Plus surprised us in many ways. First of all, the excellent performance, the pure minimalism, the washable pre-filter, and the not-so-loud noise at first and second speed. On top of all this, the room coverage of up to 540 square feet is just another reason why we recommend the Blueair 211 Plus as our absolute best buy. It should definitely be kept in mind that the maintenance of this device is a bit more of an annual basis, but I don't think this should be a problem given the advantages that the Blueair 211 Plus offers. Check out the detailed review at airpurifierfirst.com. All links can be found in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.